Okay, so welcome to a new one. So in this video, I want to talk about something that I feel like is important in this space. So for some days now, I've been seeing stuff on YouTube about Gitcoin Passport. Now, for those who don't know what a Gitcoin Passport is, it's more like a verification of your on-chain identity, and it's depending on the score you have, it qualifies you in the category that yes, you are a true human. It's more like doing a captcha, but this is on the blockchain. But it's not like the regular captcha where you just go and click on how many motorcycles or how many cars and stuff like that. This one actually requires stamps, like proof of stuff you have done on chain. So this is pretty much important because a lot of projects actually want to reward the community or people that actually stuck with them in their building phase. You can see Stacknet actually did it, but they did it in a different way by telling people that if you didn't leave 0.05 Ethereum on your wallet, you weren't eligible for their airdrops. A lot of people were not happy about that, including me, because many of us actually did a lot of stuff on Stacknet, but just because of that criteria alone, we didn't make the airdrop. But right now I understand, because there are a lot of people farming airdrops now. You know, everywhere people are seeing airdrops as a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not like that actually, but airdrops can actually help you in your crypto journey. That's like 100%. But for you to actually get the airdrops, you actually need to do the things that a lot of other farmers like you are not doing. Like, you need to separate yourself from the head, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. So ZK Sync actually said that, or not like they said, it's kind of rumored, but they are going to use a Gitcoin Passport to actually enable or verify people that will be eligible for the airdrop. And even to get this Gitcoin Passport, you actually need a score of at least 20 and above to say, yeah, yes, okay, yes, my Gitcoin Passport is like superior. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, if you want to get a Gitcoin Passport, probably if you haven't done this before, this is going to be a little bit, it's going to be like the hard part and the easy part. So I want to show you the easy part in this video, and then once you finish doing the easy part, you can comment below in this video the ones that if you feel like are very hard for you, and I will make a video at least to show you how to get your own Gitcoin Passport to 20 to a stamp of 20. As you can see, mine is 20.27, and I've been trying to figure this out for the past like 2-3 weeks. So anyway, let's get into it. Now, if you know about Gitcoin, I would advise you to strongly go do this and try to get your stamp to at least 20 or above 20, because a lot of projects, a lot of protocols will be using this to track symbols. Like we use your Gitcoin Passport to actually verify if you're actually a human and you actually stay on chain or you are a bot. So let's get into it. When you come to this website, don't worry about the link. I'll leave the link in the description below. You just connect your Ethereum wallet. It will show you connect your Ethereum wallet, and you just connect your Ethereum wallet. But once you connect your Ethereum wallet, you find out that there are other chains you can use. Remember, Ethereum is crazily expensive, so I won't actually, I'll tell you to use Ethereum for this. But there are some stamps here that actually require Ethereum. So that's why, like I said, you do the ones that are easy first, then you leave the ones that are hard. Comment below and I'll help you, because I didn't do everything. There are some stamps I'm not actually going to go for, and remember, you only need a score of 20, so you know how to navigate at the end of the day. Now, you can connect to any other chain you want. I did some tax here using the Polygon chain, because Polygon is not that expensive. You get the point. So anyway, how do you do it? Once you connect your wallet, like I said, it takes you to this place where you see a lot of stuff. Now, if you haven't done this before, you won't have any stamps here. Like, all these ones that are like this are the ones that have been stamped already. But if you haven't done this before, you won't have any stamps. But if you have done this before and you haven't gotten to a score of 20, you will have like some stamps. Now, if you haven't done this before, I will urge you to come and do like the ones that I know that are kind of easy. Stuff like connecting your Twitter, connecting your Discord, connecting your Google. But for something like Twitter, it will expect you to have like at least an account for like a year, 2 years and stuff like that. So know that. But for Discord, and if you have been grinding airdrops, you should actually have a Discord account. So that one will be, you just connect your Discord and you'll be eligible for some points. Same thing with Google, same thing with LinkedIn. If you have been in crypto for a while, at least you should have an NFT. If you don't have an NFT, you should find a very cheap chain on the list here that you can use on Gitcoin and buy an NFT, so you can have at least one NFT to get these points. Now for ZK Sync, if you haven't done this before and you have not actually been farming for ZK Sync, it will be hard because ZK Sync actually has a criteria for ZK Sync Lite and ZK Sync Era. So probably ZK Sync Lite was like way back, and a lot of people that have been farming ZK Sync have been farming for a while now. So I would say, I'm not sure you can do ZK Sync Lite, but you can do Era. You can do Era and just claim the least points. Remember, it's all about you just picking points here and there to get up to 20. But I'm showing you the ones that you can do on your own, like you don't need any help. Like these ones. Now, also for Ethereum, you should have a wallet for at least a year. If you're new here, I don't know if you have your wallet for at least a year. You can skip this and go do the ones that you know that you can do. Now, if you also have a GitHub account, connect it. These ones I'm showing you now are the ones that I believe you can do on your own. You don't need any help. All you just need to do is connect your wallet, click on it, and verify. That's it. Now, once you verify it, probably you should get up to, like, let's say 10 points, 10 to 15 points. If you do all these ones I said now, that I know that pretty much hard. Now, you come and check for the ones that you feel like, okay, you can do, or you comment in the comment section of this video the ones you would like to try, and I'll make a video on that, because even me, I didn't do everything. Let me put it like that. Like, there are some of them, like I said, that requires you to use Ethereum network, and since you'll be using the Ethereum network, it's kind of expensive. So for me to get to this 20, I actually like collected points from here. So I'm making this video to just create awareness of this. Like I said, the airdrop game is kind of technical now, and you actually have to do stuff that separate you from the head. You get what I'm saying? So anyway, just do the ones that, like I said, that are not that technical, which is connecting your Twitter, Discord, Google, LinkedIn, GitHub. If you have, probably if you have an Ethereum wallet for a year, connect it. Just do all these ones that you know that are pretty much easy. Now, once you do that, just comment in the comment section of this video, and probably I'll make a video to just do at least, or show you how to get some points from these tougher ones and navigate it without using the Ethereum chain, so that you won't spend so much in gas fees and you get up to 20 Gitcoin stamp. Now, what am I telling you about this? Many projects, like I said earlier, are trying to use this to sybil out people that are bots and people that are real human beings, so that they can actually reward their community well. Avid is doing this, ZK Sync is doing this, and I believe a lot of other projects will also follow suits, like Scroll and the rest. So it's not just about farming or doing on-chain transactions anymore. It's all about being smart and doing stuff that most other farmers are not doing. So anyway, if you like stuff like this, please don't forget to give us a like on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. So thank you very much, and see you in the next one.